So now today we will discuss about the oxy acids of phosphorus. Oxy acids of phosphorus. What are the oxy acids? Oxy acids mean these are the ternary compounds. These are ternary compounds which are formed by the reaction of oxygen and hydrogen with a non-metal. In any non-metal, when react with oxygen and hydrogen, they forms a ternary compound. Those are called oxy acids. For example, phosphorus oxy acids mean oxygen and hydrogen when react with phosphorus, they forms phosphorus oxy acids. In these phosphorus oxy acids, there are two series. One is us acids, and ic acids. Us acids and ic acids. Us acids have low oxidation states. Ic acids have high oxidation states. So us acids. In us acids, there are three important ones are there. Hypophosphorus acid. Hypophosphorus acid. This is also called phosphonic acid. Phosphonic acid. Phosphenic acid. Phosphenic acid or hypophosphorus acid. Its formula is H3PO2. Hypophosphorus acid. Its formula is H3PO2. Its structure is this: one OH bond, two pH bonds, one P double bond is there. It can be prepared when white phosphorus treated with alkali and acid, you will get H3PO2, hypophosphorus acid. Now its oxidation state is +1. Phosphorus oxidation state is +1. And next second one, orthophosphorus acid. Orthophosphorus acid. This is also called phosphonic acid. This is a phosphonic acid. This is phosphenic acid. This is phosphonic acid. So its have formula H3PO3. Its structure POH bonds. POH bonds. Two are there, and one pH bond and one P double bond. Its preparation when phosphorus trioxide upon hydrolysis. Phosphorus trioxide upon hydrolysis. Otherwise, PCl3 upon hydrolysis also we will get PCl3 upon hydrolysis or phosphorus trioxide upon hydrolysis. So we get this orthophosphorus acid. Next, third one is pyrophosphorus acid. Pyrophosphorus acid. Pyrophosphorus acid formula H4P2O5. H4P2O5, which its structure having two POH bonds, one POH, here POH, two POH bonds, two PH bonds, and one POP bond, two P double bond O bonds. P double bond O, POH, PH, POP bonds are present. And it can be prepared when PCl3 treated with phosphorus acid. This is also called orthophosphorus acid or phosphorus acid also. So these are us acids. Next, second series ic acids. Hypophosphoric acid. Its formula H4P2O6. Its structure having two POH bonds. Here one phosphorus having two POH and another phosphorus two POH. So total 4 POH bonds. One PP bond, two P double bond O bonds. And second one, it can be prepared from red phosphorus reaction with any base. Next, orthophosphoric acid, and generally it is also called phosphoric acid. Its structure having 3 POH bonds, P double bond O. It can be reacted, it can be formed by reaction of phosphorus pentoxide with water. Otherwise, phosphorus pentachloride with water also it can be formed. Next, pyrophosphoric acid, H4P2O7. So it have one POP bond, 4 POH bonds, 2 P double bond bonds. So it can be prepared H3PO4 phosphoric acid upon strong heating by liberation of water. It can be prepared. Phosphoric acid upon 2 moles of phosphoric acid upon heating, it lose 1 mole of water and gives pyrophosphoric acid. Next metaphosphoric acid. It is generally it can be formed to cyclic form and also trimeric form. This is the trimeric form. So 3 moles of metaphosphoric acid are joined to form cyclic structure. Cyclic structure. In this cyclic structure, 3 POP bonds, POP bonds, 3 P double bond O bonds, and 3 POH bonds are present. These bonds are important. This is a trimer. This is a trimer cyclic form. This is a cyclic form. Cyclic form. So it can be prepared when bromine is treated with phosphorus acid, orthophosphorus acid upon sealed tube, heated and under sealed tube we will get this. And last one, fifth acid is peroxyphosphoric acid. Peroxyphosphoric acid. This peroxyphosphoric acid having OO bond. This is peroxy bond. OO single bond is peroxy bond. So this is called peroxyphosphoric acid, which have 2 POH bonds. 2 POH bonds. And one P double bond or one POH bonds. One OO bond is there. So which can be prepared when phosphoric acid. This is also orthophosphoric acid. This can be when treated with hydrogen peroxide, we will get to peroxyphosphoric acid and oxygen. So these are the preparation methods. Now here in these acids, if you see among these all acids, the importance, very important are metaphosphorus acid and also hypophosphorus acid and orthophosphorus acid and orthophosphoric acid. You see orthophosphorus acid, phosphorus acid. This is H3PO3, which can be undergo disproportionation, which can be formed so H3PO4 and also phosphine. H3PO4 and phosphine are formed. Here phosphorus is +3 oxidation state, and here phosphorus is +5 oxidation state. Here phosphorus is -3 oxidation state. So +3 going to form +5 and +3 going to form -3. That means disproportionation reaction. Here if you see oxidation states, here oxidation state of this phosphorus is here +4. Both phosphorus oxidation state +4. Then remaining all are here +5, and everything are +5 oxidation states. So here orthophosphorus acid is undergoes disproportionation. Next these salts basicity. Basicity means the number of ionizable hydrogens. Number of ionizable hydrogen atoms or number of OH groups. Is called basicity of that acid. For example, hypophosphorus acid. H3PO, here P double bond O, OH, H. Here only one POH 1 POH. So its basicity is 1. Basicity is 1. That means, you know, this hydrogen can be displaced by hydrogen when treated with sodium. NaO minus P double bond OH. We can write this is also NaPO2, NaH2PO2, NaH2PO2, sodium hypophosphite, sodium hypophosphite, sodium hypophosphite. So this is the salt. So the number of OH groups is equal to basicity. That is only replaceable hydrogen. These two hydrogens cannot be displaced by sodium. Only the hydrogen which is attached to oxygen, hydrogen which is attached to oxygen only displaced because it is more acidic. So that's why this sodium displaces this hydrogen and forms its respective salt.